Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one magical hair serum for hair fall. I think you are all surprised that you are thinking what is in my hand. I am here having onion peels, throwing things. Now we are going to get the benefit with this. We are putting in the garbage. We should not throw this thing. After knowing the benefit of this, I am damn sure you will not throw this onion peels. Onion peel is rich in sulfur. This metal that formation of collagen and thus maintain the health of your hairs. Onion peels promote hair growth, and the reason is that the onion peel is rich in sulfur. Don't throw those onion peels. They can be great for your hair. It is an important ingredient in our kitchen, and it is the main thing for the food taste great and sumptuous. We used to throw onion peels. Barely we know that the peels of most of the fruits and vegetables have more nutrition value than that of main food or fruit. Similarly, onion peels have great importance. Maybe you will be shocked. It is having tons of onion peel is wasted every year. After knowing the importance of the onion peels, we will not regret to throw away the onion peels in our future. You know guys, onion peels will help against premature graying. It will fight against the lice infestation. We have noticed many of them are having lice in their hairs. That problem also will be cured. It gives you length, a healthy shine hairs, and it will give volume to your hairs. It works against the dandruff also. There are tons of benefits of onion peels guys. Don't throw it after knowing the benefit. So come guys, let's start how to make this remedy. For that, here I have gathered all the onion peels. Here I am having maybe 7 to 8 onions peels. So come guys, let's start how to make this onion serum for your hairs. See guys, here I have taken one silver vessel. You can take silver vessel and then put all these peels in it. And then what you have to do, you need to pour 1 glass full of water. Here I have taken 7 to 8 onions peel. For that, see the glass quantity. Here it is 250 ml of water I am going to put in it, and that's it. I am going to keep this on a stove. See guys, I have kept on the stove. Let it be cook well, and we will get the extract from it. Okay. Now itself you can see the water color has been changed. Let it be boiled. See guys, how dark color is coming. Can you see? From white water to it is changing to onion color. See guys, let it be boiled. See guys, our serum is ready. It is completely given all its extracts. Now we will strain it. See guys, our serum is ready now. You can see it's very hot. Let it be cool. After that I will transfer this in a spray bottle, and then I will tell you how to use. See guys, our hair fall serum is ready. Now I am going to transfer this in a spray bottle. See guys, I have transferred in a spray bottle. You just need to spray like this on your hairs. That's it, and just do it light massage on your hairs, and then you can see your hair fall will stop from the first use itself. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Kindly share among your friends and family members. Thank you guys. Bye bye.